Ever pondered on how to create dynamic, real-time project reports that impress executive-level audiences? You're not alone. This is a common challenge many program and project managers grapple with. But worry no more. Today, we'll demystify the process using two powerful tools at your disposal: Microsoft Excel and Power BI. As we transition from the challenge to the solution, let's take a moment to understand the importance of data in dynamic reporting. Quality data is the fuel that drives any successful project report. It provides the insights necessary to make informed decisions and drive project success. The key is to gather relevant, accurate, and up-to-date data. This could be project costs, task completion status, resource allocation, or risk assessment data. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. So, invest time in data collection and management. It's the first step towards creating dynamic project reports. Now let's dive into the tools that can help us turn this data into meaningful insights. Cue the entry of Microsoft Excel. First, let's break down the basics. Microsoft Excel, a staple in many workplaces, is more than just a tool for data entry. It's a powerful engine for data analysis and visualization. The trick lies in knowing how to use it effectively. Start by entering your project data into Excel spreadsheets throughout the month in preparation for the monthly program report, or PMR as it's commonly known. This could include anything from project timelines to budget data. As we transition from Excel to Power BI, let's take a moment to appreciate the harmony between these two tools. You see, Excel and Power BI are not rivals, but rather they complement each other. Excel is where you collect, organize, and do preliminary analysis of your data. Power BI, on the other hand, takes this data and elevates it to the next level, offering deeper insights and more dynamic visualizations. Now, in this quick montage, you'll see a selection of Excel's most useful features for dynamic reporting. Notice the various chart types, the pivot tables, the slicers, and the formulas. All these tools are at your disposal to help you create meaningful and insightful reports. As the montage finishes, we're going to fade out and then fade back in, and you'll find yourself in a different landscape. The world of Power BI. It's here where your data comes alive, where patterns emerge, and actionable insights are revealed. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the world of Power BI, where we'll unleash the potential of dynamic reporting. Onto the second tool, Power BI. This is a business analytics tool that delivers insights to enable fast, informed decisions. Now, you might be wondering, how does Power BI fit into the picture? Here's how. Power BI has a feature that allows you to link your Excel data for real-time analytics. This means that as you update your Excel spreadsheet, Power BI updates your analytics in real time. It's like having your own personal data analyst, ready to crunch the numbers at a moment's notice. As the suspenseful music builds, we delve deeper into Power BI. This tool is not just a simple data translator, it's a comprehensive platform that offers a myriad of features. In this montage, we'll take a quick tour of some of these features. There's the drag and drop functionality that lets you create charts and graphs with ease. Then there's the ability to create interactive dashboards that allow your audience to explore data on their own terms. But that's not all. Power BI also lets you create reports that can be published for wider consumption or embedded in an app or website. It's these dynamic features that make Power BI a powerful ally in your quest for effective data presentation. As the montage ends, the screen fades out, leaving you in anticipation of what's next in the journey of creating dynamic reports. Now that we have the basics covered, let's delve into the process. It begins with linking your Excel data with Power BI. This process is straightforward. Simply import your Excel data into Power BI and let the tool do the rest. Once your data is in Power BI, you can start creating visualizations that make complex data understandable. Remember, your goal is to present data in a way that executives can easily digest. As our data takes shape in Power BI, we begin to see the magic happen. Our once static Excel sheets are now dynamic, interactive dashboards. Now imagine the data is a canvas, and you're the artist. The tools? Power BI's extensive range of visualizations, bar graphs, line charts, pie charts, scatter plots, each one a different brushstroke on your data canvas. Watch as your data comes to life, revealing trends, patterns, and insights that were once hidden. This is the power of data analysis. It's not just about numbers and figures. It's about telling a story that can influence decisions, drive actions, and ultimately shape the future of your project. As we transition to the next scene, let the power of data visualization sink in. Remember, it's not just about creating reports, it's about creating impact. As the scene slowly fades out, let the motivational music remind you of the potential that lies within your data. And as we fade back in, prepare yourself to delve deeper into the art of presentation. Now, you're well on your way to creating dynamic, real-time project reports. But there's one more element to consider: presentation. It's not just about what you present, but how you present it. Use clear, concise language. Break down complex concepts into simple, digestible pieces. And don't shy away from using visuals, charts, graphs, and infographics can be powerful tools to convey information in an engaging, easy to understand manner. As the screen goes dark, imagine a blank canvas where we begin to paint the picture of effective presentation. Picture a graph, its lines rising and falling, telling a tale of success and challenges. Now see a pie chart, its slices representing different aspects of a project, conveying the whole story in a single, simple image. Next, imagine a dashboard filled with dynamic, real-time data. Each widget, each number, each color is a piece of the story. And as you change a parameter, the story evolves, painting a new picture. As we fade out, let the triumphant background music fill the silence. We're not just presenting data, we're creating a narrative, a story that informs, engages, and drives decision-making. And as we fade into the next scene, remember this: the power to create impactful project reports lies in your hands. Harness it. So, there you have it. A simple step-by-step guide to creating dynamic, real-time project reports using Microsoft Excel and Power BI. To recap, start by entering your project data into Excel. Then, link your Excel data with Power BI for real-time analytics. Finally, present your data in a clear, concise, and visually engaging manner. By following these steps, you're not just creating a project report, you're telling a story that informs, engages, and, most importantly, drives decision-making. It's a game changer, and it's all at your fingertips. So why not give it a try? Remember, the power to create impactful project reports lies in your hands. Harness it.